Hey guys, what's up guys? So today gonna be a video of my Galaxy Ultra. I'm always trying new stuff with the Ultra. You probably see I try this already. As you can see, this is to protect your camera on the back. I tried the clear one, and when I take a picture in the dark, then you have like a glare over it from the flash that get transferred through the plastic that I take, or through the ultra thin glass, as they quote unquote use on the when selling it. So this one is black, and because it's black, it's not gonna transfer the flash, and you have all the cutouts for all the holes and camera and sensors. So we're gonna install this today, and then I'll let you know. And on the camera for the Ultra, I know some of you might ask, the camera for the Ultra is not that bad as before, so thumbs up to Samsung for that. So go ahead and wipe this off, make sure I have no dust on it. I don't know if you can see on the camera right there, you probably can't see it, but on my camera it's it have some small scratch on it. So you want to wipe all those things off, peel off the white side. So this one is actually glass, so that's a good sign already. So just gonna peel it off, and I'm gonna line up everything, and then I can go from there and just let it rest on it. So double check to make sure everything line up. So right here I put it on my camera, so I don't know, yeah, right there you can see like there's a little scratch right there, but that's my actual camera lens. So you have the cutout for the cameras and all the sensors, and I'm gonna take some picture and video in the night to see if you have that glare, because I put on a screen protector, a camera protector for the lens before, and it have glare when I take picture using the flash. So that's what I'm gonna use, and I will get back to you. Please go ahead, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Help me help you, help me grow. Hope you're staying safe out there. Thank you guys, peace out, see you next time. Alright, so one more thing, let's talk about the cases now. I used to rock this case because I didn't want my camera to get scratched, so I make sure I have a case with a groove on it. So once you have this, you won't need you can do pretty much put on any case on your phone if you want. So I can put this tin case right here. I can put this case right here, and it doesn't do anything. You just want to make sure you have a raise right here to protect your camera, your screen. And this do have a little lip to protect your camera in the back, which I like. But now I have this, I feel more secure, because it's a lot of money, so protect your investment. All right, stay tuned for the picture in the back. Once again, like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out, see you next time. Alright guys, so this is a video of me just videoing without the flash on, and then I'm gonna turn on the flash right now, and you will see that it's not glaring white or anything like that. So That's it, guys. This is a Chevy Malibu. Have nothing to do with the video, but just telling you this. The engine right here, and that's transmission. That's where you had your water, your coolant, and this is where you add your windshield washer fluid. Alright guys, so that's just with the flash on. Now I'm going to turn the flash off one more time. So the flash off, and as you can see, this protector worked really well. Alright, peace out. See you next time. Thank you for your love and support.